Think your squat technique is solid. Here's a surprising truth. If you can't perform an overhead squat correctly, your body is probably hiding weaknesses you never knew existed. This single exercise exposes poor mobility, weak core stability, and bad posture faster than almost any other movement. The good news? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to perform the overhead squat the right way. Avoid the most common mistakes, and make every rep stronger and safer. Let's start with the biggest mistakes because this is where most people go wrong. Many lifters treat the overhead squat like a normal squat with a bar held above their head. Unfortunately, that's exactly why they struggle. Their arms drift forward, their heels lift off the floor, their knees collapse inward, and their chest falls toward the ground. These mistakes don't just make the exercise look bad, they reduce stability, waste energy, and place unnecessary stress on your joints. But here's the interesting part. Fixing just one small detail can improve everything else. Before you even think about squatting, your setup has to be right. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and turn your toes slightly outward. Hold the bar with a wide grip, so it stays directly above the middle of your feet when your arms are fully extended. Lock your elbows and imagine you're trying to push the bar toward the ceiling. This simple cue activates your shoulders and upper back, creating a strong and stable position before the movement even begins. Now here's a question for you. Have you ever tried building a house on soft ground? It doesn't matter how beautiful the house looks. Without a strong foundation, it won't last. Your core works exactly the same way. Before lowering into the squat, tighten your abdominal muscles as if someone is about to lightly punch your stomach. A strong core protects your spine and keeps your body balanced throughout the movement. As you begin the squat, bend your knees and hips together while keeping your chest tall. Instead of thinking about sitting backward, imagine lowering yourself straight down between your legs. Keep your eyes looking forward and maintain locked elbows throughout the movement. Your knees should naturally follow the direction of your toes, and your weight should stay balanced across your entire foot, not just your heels or your toes. Here's one of the biggest light bulb moments. The goal isn't simply to hold the bar overhead. The goal is to keep the bar directly over the center of your body from start to finish. If the bar moves forward, your balance disappears, your chest drops, and your lower back starts working harder than it should. That's why experienced lifters constantly push the bar upward while squatting instead of just holding it in place. Let's compare bad form with good form. In poor technique, the elbows bend, the shoulders relax, the knees cave inward, and the heels lift off the floor. This creates an unstable position that makes every repetition harder than it needs to be. In good technique, the elbows stay locked, the shoulders remain active, the chest stays proud, and the feet stay firmly planted. The movement feels smoother, stronger, and much more controlled. If you're struggling to reach full depth, don't force it. The overhead squat is also a mobility test. Tight ankles, stiff hips, or limited shoulder mobility can all prevent you from moving correctly. Instead of adding more weight, spend time improving these areas. Remember, quality movement always comes before heavy lifting. Once your technique feels comfortable, start paying attention to your breathing. Take a deep breath before you descend, brace your core, and slowly exhale as you stand back up. This creates better stability and helps keep your spine in a safe position. Another useful tip is to imagine spreading the floor apart with your feet. This activates your hips and glutes, giving your knees extra support throughout the lift. Many beginners believe getting stronger means adding more weight every workout. In reality, the athletes who improve the fastest are usually the ones who master perfect technique first. An empty bar with flawless form will always build a stronger foundation than a heavy bar with poor mechanics. Let's quickly review everything. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out, and grip the bar wide enough to keep it directly over your body. Lock your elbows, brace your core, and keep pushing the bar toward the ceiling. Lower yourself under control while keeping your chest up, knees tracking over your toes, and your feet firmly planted. Once you reach a comfortable depth, drive through your whole foot and return to the starting position without losing your balance. Now it's your turn. Grab a broomstick, a PVC pipe, or an empty barbell and perform 10 perfect overhead squats. Focus on smooth movement instead of heavy weight, and notice how much more stable and controlled each repetition feels. Master this exercise patiently, and you'll build stronger legs, a more stable core, better shoulder mobility, and overall athletic movement that carries over into almost every other lift. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, Perfect technique today creates incredible strength tomorrow.